I'm going to show you how to change the side marker light bulbs here on your Mercedes. It's my daughter's C250. It's a 2015. If you ever see this check front left side marker lamp or check front right side marker lamp, let me show you where it's located here on your vehicle. And this is a Mercedes. It's a C250 2015. It's these lights right here. They're very easy to change. And you see both of them are out. And what I found out when I looked at them, that the lamp wasn't pushed all the way in, but I went on and changed both of those lamps. But first, what you want to do is turn your wheels to the right if you're changing the driver's side, so you can get to these three little plastic tab screws right here. And I'm going to show you how to take them out. It's three of them that you have to take them out. You probably could get away with taking out two of them, but it's best to take out all three of them. First, what you want to do is get a screwdriver or a knife and just put it right here and pry that open just a little bit. And then you can take your finger or some needle nose pliers and pull them out the rest of the way. As you can see, I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to grab these and just pull it on out. And if you want to purchase any of these light bulbs, you can get them there at your AutoZone or O'Reilly, or you can just purchase them on Amazon. And that pulls right out. Sometimes both pieces will come out like that, or like in this case right here, you're gonna notice that when I pull this out, just that little screw tab gonna come out. And if that happens, the only thing you have to do is just take your screwdriver, pry this out a little bit, and take your hand and pull it on out. It comes right out. And once you do this and pull all three of these little tabs out, you can fold this flap back, that little plastic flap back. And what I did, I went on and just pushed my hand and found that little plastic clip and popped the whole thing out. Like, some people want to replace the whole thing and just give a better look to their car. But it's easier to change it like that, or you can just reach your hand in there and turn that little bulb counterclockwise. So I'm gonna just take it out so to give you a good view of it. You see that little plastic clip? So I'm gonna take this and I'm recording this with one hand, and I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out. And then what you want to do is take that little light bulb. It's best to wear gloves when you're doing this, and you just grab that light bulb and pull it. It'll come right out. And then you just put your other ones in, replace them. These things are cheap. And like I said, my daughter's wasn't pushed all the way in, but I went on and placed the light bulb since I had bought some. So the only thing you got to do is take the new light bulb and line it up and push it back in that little slot. But I'm going to show you what this little piece look like. And you can buy this whole cover. Some people change them to red or black or clear. And this is what the cover looks like. Just give you a view of it. So I'm going to take the new light bulb and just line it up. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. And just push it in. That's it. And just put everything back in the way you took it off. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.